We're here in Amarillo. We brought the kiddos to see the Longhorns. The rodeo's tomorrow. There's a ranch in Oklahoma, I can't remember what it's called, and they bring all the Longhorns over, and they're pretty neat, and they herd them right downtown Amarillo to the rodeo grounds. It's pretty neat to see.
Hey, what are y'all doing?
I'm having fun!
What are we seeing today, do you know?
Cows on the road!
Cows on the road! Lenny, do you know what we're gonna see today? What are we gonna see today?
Talk it up here.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing never will, 'cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere,
That's what I
a
get.
place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me a way where we can build our memories. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere.
John, what are we doing? Catcher, what are we doing?
Watching the parade.
first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Yes. I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think that maybe you should know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know.
So we're picking up food and gonna take it home from Blue Sky. This is one of our favorite places to go. I think it's local to Amarillo, and they have something for every one of our family members. So it's like one of our very favorite places to go. So that is what we're doing right now.
Nice.
We're sitting here in the parking lot waiting on our food to be done.
Yeah,
What did y'all think of the Longhorns?
pretty
I loved
stinking
it.
cool. There was a lot of duty.
Was there?
Did
Yeah.
you not see it? There was a bunch or left like a.
And he got off the thing and scooped it up and put it in the truck.
Did you not see the guy get up and scoop it all
I
up?
didn't watch it happen. Daddy talked about how there was pooper scoopers.
That's why.
In the cart.
Well, there's some things you can't take back. Lord, some things you just got to let go. Oh, you gotta let go.
And I ate mine in the car.
Stay limitless, hee haw!